Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2023 Toyota Hilux, stock number 7325. It's ran from the 2020 to the current shape. Has a 1GD FTV 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 1GD 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory made good tyre. Right rear 17-inch factory made good tyre. Right front door 1 crease. Right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 17-inch factory made good tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen, satnav stereo, interior mirror, front saber holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,